Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing B175 Lucifer the End. So let's get right into the video. Here's the back of the box. So let's get this open. And guys, don't worry, I'll be putting on the stickers later. Wait, I'll get the light. It's a little better now. So I have to. So here's the layer, Lucifer the End. So here it is. Get the other parts out. Okay, so I'm gonna get the other parts out. Okay guys, this is pretty hard to open, but I got it. Okay guys, I'm gonna get scissors. It's pretty hard to open. Okay, so I'm back guys. I got the scissors. Cut it open. And here is the drift driver. It's free spin. Now let's get out the disc, which is cool, or honestly I don't know what to call it. So here's the disc. Now we're gonna put it all together. Let's see. Oh, guys, I messed that up for sure. Okay, so all together we have Lucifer the End. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. Make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, and I'm gonna do some battles later, so yeah, see you guys.